Both sides look the same. Here we also crocheted little tomatoes for decoration. If you like it, follow me to crochet together. Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn, paired with a 2.5 mm crochet hook. First make a slip knot. Chain 17 stitches. Work double crochet in the 5th chain from the end. Yarn over and pick up the front loop only. Pull the yarn through. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Work 1 double crochet and 1 chain in the next stitch. Repeat, skip 1 stitch. 1 double crochet and 1 chain in the next stitch. Then work 3 more groups by yourself. Skip 1 stitch, work 4 groups in the last chain. 1 double crochet and 1 chain. The first group is still worked into the same position. Second group. Third group. Four groups completed crocheting. Next, turn to the other side. Directly insert the hook into the corresponding position of the double crochet and work 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Work 5 groups correspondingly. Five groups crocheting finished. Work 2 groups at the last position. 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Then slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Round 1 crocheting finished. Round 2, 3 chains. Replace 1 double crochet and 1 chain as an interval. No need to work in the spaces. Work 1 double crochet and 1 chain into the double crochet stitch. No need to work in the spaces. Work 1 double crochet and 1 chain into the stitch. No need to work in the spaces. Work 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch. Pay attention, the next spaces need to be worked. Still work double crochets. Work 5 double crochets in order. This is the 3rd double crochet. 4th. 5th. Chain 1. No need in the spaces. Work 1 double crochet and 1 chain into the stitch. This is a group. We need to work 6 groups. Insert the hook directly into the stitch. 1 double crochet and 1 chain. This is the 2nd group. 3rd group. 4th group. 5th group. 6th group. Then insert the hook directly into the stitch. Work 5 double crochets in order. Chain 1. Insert the hook directly into the stitch. Work 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Need to work 3 groups in total. Join with a slip stitch on the third chain. Round 2 completed. Third. 3 chains to replace 1 double crochet, 1 chain space. Do not work in the gap. Insert the hook into the stitch. Work 1 double crochet. Do not work in the gap. Insert the hook into the stitch, then work 9 double crochets in order. Chain 1. Insert the hook into the stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 chain. A total of 4 groups need to be crocheted. Second group. Third group. Fourth group. Insert the hook into the stitch. Work 9 double crochets in order. Chain 1. Finally crochet 2 groups, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Join with a slip stitch on the third chain. The fourth round is the same as the third round technique. Everyone repeat and crochet 1 round on their own. The fifth round is the same as the second round technique. 3 chains replace 1 double crochet, 1 chain space. Continue to crochet 2 groups of 1 double crochet and 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch here. In the next stitch, work 5 double crochets in order. One chain. Skip 1 stitch. Continue to crochet 6 groups. 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Second group. Third group. Fourth group. Fifth group. Sixth group. Skip 1 stitch and then work 5 in order. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch. Finally crochet 3 groups, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Join with a slip stitch on the third chain. Start round 6 with 1 chain. Work 1 single crochet evenly. 1 single crochet in the space. Next, crochet 3 chains to replace 1 double crochet. Skip and turn over. Skip 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat 4 chains. Turn over. Work 1 double crochet on the third chain. Work to desired length. Chain 1 at the end. Leave a yarn tail. Sew together on the other edge. Finally, hide the yarn tail. Next, embroider this leaf. Insert the hook into the middle post. Leave a little yarn tail. Tie a knot to secure the 2 inner yarn tails. Now the main part of the earphone case is completed crocheting.